Hey lovelies, welcome to my very first video on Rosie Diary. My name is Rosemary Okwo. I am a Nigerian living and studying in Portugal, and I'm so excited that this channel is finally coming to life after series of doubts and delays. On this channel, I'll be sharing my personal experiences as an international student in Portugal, step-by-step guide on applying for a Portuguese study visa, and my adventures exploring Europe. You also get a glimpse into my lifestyle, including my love for cooking, baking, braiding, and discovering new places and food. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Ciao!